Hindi siya gaanong makita. Pero, okay siya. I like it. I like it very much. Ayan siya. Medyo madilim pero okay na din. Can assure you that it's a very nice product. And then, ayan. And let's go to my, okay. You can visit my channel.
Hello guys, don't buy in this shop. They don't even refund my item that I received. It's already damaged. It has a factory defect. I did a lot of chat to them, but they don't even accept my refund. So I don't recommend this shop. It's wasting of money. I cannot use it. Normally this one, it picks here.
Yan ba yan? Tingnan mo. Yan ba? Tingnan mo nga kung... May ganyan ba talaga? You need to, open with camera.
Yeah. Kasi in case na may sira, pwede mo siya
Ano yun naman yan?
palit.
Gadget na naman, Diyos ko.